Hi, my name is Kristen, and today I'm drawing a sleepy gray cat using Prismacolor colored pencils and Copic markers. This video is part of my challenge where I'm drawing cats until I reach 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Every cat brings me one step closer, so thank you for being part of this journey. I start with the sketch phase using light gray color pencil. I prefer this over graphite because it blends in with the colors I'll layer on later, and it keeps the sketch from looking too harsh. I lightly map out the cat's body and the peaceful, sleepy expression on its face. Now I'm just going to let the music play as I continue to draw, and I'll be back to talk for the next step. For a base layer, I use light gray Copic marker to fill in the entire cat. This gives me a smooth and even surface to build on. It also makes some areas a little darker right away, especially where the shadows naturally fall, like under the body, along the side, and in the folds where the cat is curled up. Next, I add some small but important details to the face. I give the nose a soft pink tone, which instantly adds warmth. For the eyes, I use indigo blue to give the shadow of the eyelid a cool tone. After that, I start building up the highlights. With white color pencil, I lighten parts of the head and cheeks that would catch the light. To push those highlights even more, I also will use a white India ink marker. It subtly lightens the layers of gray. Now it's time to refine the fur. I go over the body again with another gray pencil, making soft fur-like strokes to add texture. I then will go in with black to deepen the darkest areas, like beneath the chin, the folds of the body, and on other places where the fur tucks in. This step really gives the drawing more depth and makes the cat feel three-dimensional. I keep layering by adding a darker shade of gray, especially to the forehead and the ears. That makes the face more defined and balances the shadow across the body. After that, I return to black to shade the tail fur and create a soft shadow beneath the cat, which helps it feel grounded on the page. Once I'm happy with all the details, I sign my name to finish it off, and just like that, the sleepy gray cat is complete. Thank you so much for watching and for joining me on my 10,000 subscriber challenge. I'll be drawing cats until I reach 10,000 subs, so if you'd like to see more feline art, be sure to like this video and subscribe. Every new subscriber brings me closer to reaching that goal. I can't wait to share the next cat with you. See you soon.